So this morning I was watching Vicky's channel and she did an autumn tag. Is that what she called it? Autumn tag 2020. So I decided I would do the tag too. The first question on the tag is favorite thing about autumn is the lighting. I love the colors. The sunlight is more golden. And if you're a photographer, the pictures are beautiful with the warm golden side lighting. It's like a golden hour all day long. So that's my favorite thing about autumn is the lighting. Spooky autumn or cozy autumn. I prefer a cozy autumn. Haunted house or Halloween party. I prefer a Halloween party. Carve pumpkins or paint pumpkins. Much rather carve a pumpkin because it's more traditional. I used to do that with my children, and we used to like to roast the pumpkin seeds. So carve a pumpkin. Go apple picking or go on a hayride. I prefer to go on a hayride. We used to do this also when the children were little. Boone Hall Plantation has a hayride. And so, yes, I'd rather do the hayride. Pumpkin spice lattes or mulled apple cider. I like both. But now, since the apple cider is so sweet, and I don't do sugar anymore, I would definitely, I like both, but I think even when I could do both, I probably preferred the pumpkin spice latte. The one that I make for myself with coffee, the espresso shots, half and half frothed, and pumpkin spice, like pumpkin pie spice that doesn't have the sugar in it. What did you dress up for Halloween last year? I don't think I did dress up. The last time I dressed up for Halloween, I think I created an eye injury. It looked like my lower lid was torn, and we went to a bar. It looked awful. I don't think I have a picture of it. Falling rain or crackling fireplace. I like them both. Usually in the fall here it's pretty dry. So, crackling fireplace. Have you purchased any fall decor yet? Yes, I got a pumpkin latte or pumpkin spice candle from Bath and Body Works. And I got some fall smelling soaps from Bath and Body Works. But I don't buy the pumpkins anymore. You know, the little miniature pumpkins and that sort of thing anymore. Now that the boys are gone. I used to decorate for the boys when they were here, but they're gone, so I don't decorate. Although Patrick's coming back, he might appreciate some festivity. Let's see, favorite photo you took last fall? I can't remember. I might be able to find you one. Hold on. All right, here's one I took years and years and years ago. I used to be really into photography, and I wasn't any good, so that's why I quit. All right, so that's a picture from the fall. Favorite color or style you like to wear in fall? I guess burgundy or wine. I do not wear orange because Pat hates orange. Best way to spend a rainy fall day? Reading. Reading and napping. Favorite autumn food? Probably chili. Used to be chili, but we don't eat chili anymore because I don't eat beans because they're not keto. They have lots of sugar in them. I guess I could make a keto chili, right? Yeah, that's my favorite autumn food is chili. It used to be chili and cornbread, and I definitely don't eat cornbread anymore because I don't eat grains. Favorite autumn activity? It used to be to go to a college football game and to drink a big, huge college cup size gin and tonic and eat fried chicken. No, I don't do any of those activities anymore. I don't go to college football games. I don't go, I don't drink cocktail, I don't do tailgating anymore, and I don't eat fried chicken anymore. But that used to be my favorite. I guess now would be to go on a long walk. And I used to like to go on long walks in the woods with my dad in the fall. He would be scouting for places to come back and set up his deer stand to go still hunting at a later date. And so I would go out scouting with him. Favorite autumn scent? I guess spices. The kind that go in pumpkin spice. My birthday is not in autumn. Okie dokie. That is my autumn tag. Thank you so much for inviting us to join in if we wanted to, Vicki. And I tag anybody that wants to do the autumn tag. Autumn tag 2020.